Hey everyone, welcome to Tennessee's at-home learning series for math. Today's lesson is for all of our first graders out there, although anyone is more than welcome to tune in. Today's lesson is the fifth lesson in our series. My name is Miss Sarah, and I am a first grade teacher at Baxter Primary School in the Putnam County School System. I'm so excited that I get to be your teacher again today for math. Welcome again to our virtual classroom. Today, we will be continuing working with number bonds just like we did yesterday. But before we begin, to participate fully, you are going to need a piece of paper to write on, a regular pencil, and a surface to write on, like a table. Okay, let's begin. Yesterday, we used the strategy of counting on with number bonds. Let's go ahead and review that as a warm-up before we get started on today's lesson. I want you to say the number 10 and touch your head like this. 10. And we're going to count on two more numbers. Ready? 10, 11, 12. Excellent. Now, you try it. Great job. Let's have a little bit of fun with that. Start again at 10, and this time when you count, I want you to punch out those numbers like this. 10, 11, 12. Your turn. Nice moves. Let's count on using another number. I want you to say the number 16 and touch your head like this. 16. Your turn. Great. Let's count on from 16 by punching out the next three numbers. Let's do it together. 16, 17, 18, 19. Now you do it all by yourself. Awesome job! You guys have some really good moves. Now we will use the counting on strategy to help us solve some story problems. Let's read our first problem together. There are 12 children in the school cooking club. That's a pretty neat club. How many boys and how many girls might be in the class? Let's go ahead and draw that number bond just like we did yesterday. Yesterday we used squares. We can switch that up today. I'm going to use circles for my parts and my whole. Did you draw your number bond? Great. Which number is going to go in our biggest circle, our whole? I'm going to read the story problem one more time, and I want you to think about the numbers that are in the story. There are 12 children in this school cooking club. How many boys and how many girls might be in the class? So which number is our whole? 12. It's the only number in our problem, and we know that it is our whole because that's how many children there are in the school cooking club all together. So that is our whole. I'm going to put the number 12 in the whole of my number bond. I want you to do the same too, please. Great job. I want you to think, how many children could be girls? I'm hearing a lot of really great options. I heard someone out there say that there could be 6 girls in the cooking club. So let's go ahead and fill in the number bond with the number 6. It should go in one of your parts. Remember, you can choose which part you put it in. Did you put the number 6 in one of your parts? Excellent. If 6 of the children are girls, how can we find out how many of the children would be boys? Excellent idea. One way is we could begin at the number 6 and count on until we reach the number 12, our whole. Count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did we count? Thank you. We counted 6 more to get to 12. So let's go ahead and complete the number bond together. You can fill in yours too. You did a great job. I want you to look at your number bond. What do the numbers in the smaller circles represent? Good job. We put 6 in one of the parts and 6 in the other part to represent the number of girls and the number of boys. Earlier, when I asked how many girls there could be, I heard someone say that there could be 8 girls in our club. So, how would our number bond change if we had 8 girls? Let's see if you're right. Let's start a new number bond and see if what you said is correct. This time I'm going to use squares. My whole and my 2 parts. Did our whole number change the number of students that we had or the number of children we had all together? Did that number change? No. So that number will continue to be our whole. So I'm going to go ahead and put the number 12 in the hole. You do it too. So if we have 8 girls in the cooking club, where will we put that number? Right, we can put the number 8 into one of our parts. We had to change the small rectangle from 6 to 8. So does that mean that our other part is going to change too? It will. Let's go ahead and use a strategy to find how many boys are in the cooking club. How can we find how many boys are in the cooking club? Yes, we can count on to find how many boys are in the cooking club. Excellent job. Remember, to find that missing part, we will start at the part that we already know and continue counting on until we reach our hole. Let's start at 8. Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did we count on? 4. So there are 4 boys. Let's go ahead and fill in our number bond. You all did a wonderful job. I want you, before we move on, to stand up and I want you to do 12 jumping jacks. All right, are you ready? Let's do one more story problem together. I want you to go ahead and draw your number bond to get ready for this problem. I am going to use circles again. Those number bonds look awesome. Let's read this problem together. I would love for you to read along with me. 14 little bears went to play in the forest. Then some more bears came over. In the end, there were 18 little bears playing in the woods all together. How many more bears do you think came to play? Can you fill in the number bond? I want you to give it a go by yourself. All right. What did you put here? Why? You are so right. We would put 18 here because there are 18 bears all together. So 18 is our whole. Now, what did you put in one of your parts next? Okay. Why did you put that in your part? You are right. 14 would go into one of our parts because there were 14 little bears playing in the forest first. So, what did you get for your answer? How many more bears came to play? What strategy did you use to find that missing number? I heard some possible answers out there, and I loved hearing how you decided what strategy to use. Let's use counting on to test out our ideas. I want you to do it with me. We're going to start at 14, and we're going to count on and stop at what number? Right, we're going to stop at 18 because that's our whole. That's how many we have all together. Here we go. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many bears came to play? That's right. 4 more bears came to play in the forest. And we know that because we use the counting on strategy to help us find that missing number. Did you get 4? Excellent job. You did a wonderful job on that problem too. I'm so proud of you. I want you to stand up and I want you to touch your toes 7 times. Boys and girls, you did a wonderful job again today. Thank you so much for helping me use number bonds and the counting on strategy to solve those problems. Now, it's your turn to try some problems all on your own. I'm going to go ahead and read you the problems now, and then you can work on those after the show. Scott has 13 cookies. His mom gives him some more. Now he has 17 cookies. How many cookies did his mom give him? I want you to think about the numbers that are in your story problem. How many cookies does he have altogether? And where will that go in our number bond? Where will the other number go in our number bond? And what will we do to find that missing number? Are you going to use the counting on strategy? You might. You're going to do such a great job on that problem. Maria had 6 crayons. Her brother gave her some more. She now has 11 crayons. How many crayons did her brother give her? I want you to think about the numbers in that problem. What number tells us how many crayons she has all together? Which number is our part? And what are you going to do to find that missing part? You're going to rock it out on that one too. And then our last one. Kim and her mom were planting 16 flowers. They have already planted 7. How many more flowers do they need to plant? Think about that problem. Which number tells you how many they have all together? Which number tells you the part? And what are you going to do to find the missing part? I just know that you are going to do a wonderful job on all of those problems by yourself. Boys and girls, I have enjoyed doing more math with you today. Thank you once again for inviting me into your home. I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson in Tennessee's At Home Learning Series for Math. See you next time. Bye, everybody.
What's up, all you crazy Tennesseans? It's me, Coach Wood again. Let's get up, get off your couch, let's get moving, all right? I got toilet paper in my hand. If you want to grab some toilet paper, go ahead. Join in on the fun. Let's just run in place for a minute, all right? We're just running through the neighborhood. What's up, man? Whoa, keep your distance. Good to see you. What's up? Woo! Go a little faster. Oh, I'm going. I'm running in my garage with toilet paper in my hand. Remember, it's important to get off that couch. Video games are fun, TV's fun, but you got to get up and move. Look it, we're moving with toilet paper. You can do it too. Keep moving, keep moving. Shake it out. Shake it off, shake it off. Hashtag Taylor Swift, here we go. Whew. Let's do some jumping jacks. Remember, pencil, X, pencil, X. Super simple. Let's get 10 in there, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Here we go. Last thing, USA, baby. USA, USA. Here we go. Last thing, we're gonna do some of my favorite. If you've watched my videos on YouTube, these are called star jumps. All right, touch the ground, jump up, star. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. Woo. Shake it off. Whew. See, look at that. We haven't been working out for even 2 minutes. I'm already breathing hard. I know you're breathing hard. You guys are doing great. Keep it up at home. Keep up all the awesome work. And follow me at youtube.com/c/Coach Wood. Check out my other videos. Peace.
top and 5 on the bottom.
That.
And we'll make sure those are even. And I've already taken out all the jokers, and then the kings are wild cards. You know what wild cards are?
Yes, you can pick whatever one.
Yeah, they can be whatever you want. And then if you get a jack or a queen, you have to throw it away. So I'll show you. So look up here. So I've got a 7. So where would a 7 go? We know this is 5. So if we count up, that would be 6, 7. Then I pull it up, and I got a 6. That's going to go right before the 7. 5. Oh, I'm going in order. And I got a 3. 2. Ace. What's ace?
Ace is 1.
1. 7. I already have a 7, so now I have 2. Ooh, I did good. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. Let me see if I can.
Oop, the very first top card. There you go.
I got
Queen. What happens to the queen?
After Jordan.
You have to throw it away.
Yeah.
Oh, Jack, what do you have to throw him away? Your turn again.
Away. I have an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome. I love the way you counted that.
Let's see, I got a 3.
Ooh, where does the 3 go?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're doing really good.
Got a king, and then I got a 5. Let's see if I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my gosh, we're tied.
We're tied.
3 in the trash.
Trash.
5. Oh, I already have a 5. Oh my gosh, who's gonna win?
Let's go to win. I got a